Hello guys, welcome to my channel MTC Geek. In this video I am going to show you how to check all details of software, hardware and drivers. Before starting the video, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my videos. Hit the bell icon to get latest update. So let's start.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Go to start and here type DXDAG. It's a tool to show all the details. Open it. Here the system details, current date, time, computer name, operating system, language, system manufacturer, system model, BIOS information, processor information, memory, page file, etc, etc. You can see the number of details are here: system, display, sound 1, sound 2, input, and these are the details. These are the graphics of your inbuilt details, and also external. If you have add the external card to show the external details. Here the system details. So one more thing I would like to tell you. Another method is the press Windows plus R key and type here DXDIAG and press OK. I hope you like my video. Thank you. Goodbye, take care. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.